Good morning. Alright, welcome back everybody, and it does look like we are indeed going to do this. Yes, despite it did rain this morning. However, yeah, it does look like crap. However, if you look this way, it's looking better. So we got about a 3 to 4 hour window to do this before we're forecast to get more rain. So we're gonna do this today. So yes, we are making some noise. I just gotta go get a tug first. Alright, minor little setback. If you notice behind me, all the leak, doing some of our preliminary checks before we roll her out of the hangar, and well, right engine has a fuel leak. We got to change out an O-ring, so right now we're looking for to see if we got a spare, and if we do have a spare, we'll put it back on, leak test it again and make sure it's good. If not, that's probably going to pull the plug on today's event. Hey, we'll get there. All right, so here's the shuttle valve assembly that goes in the back seat. And Crew Chief Al came during the week and pulled this. And yes, this has, those O-rings are deformed. They've been in there for quite some time. So we're going to put some new O-rings and reseal this and then put it back in the airplane. This is the piece that was leaking. It was a pretty good compressed air leak on the jet, so this is going to get fixed at soon, very soon. What you got, Al?
Got a new seal on this here filter. You ready to put it back on?
Awesome. Yeah, let's do this.
Okay.
Wait, nice. It leaked again. So we're going to take that filter can out and then swap it. We're going to check it and then possibly put a spare filter can off of the parts engine that we got in the other hangar. So, see what we get. All right, so here's the can that just came out. Oh. What are you thinking, Al?
I think it's out around or something. What's this right here? Yeah, there's a nick right there. Well.
That's part of the can seam.
I know, but it's a nick along the edge there.
Just a little bit. Alright, so that's the can that's off of the parts engine, like I mentioned. So we're going to take the filter cartridge out of that one and put this one in. This is a brand new one. And try this again. Alright, to give you guys a sense of scale here, so this is a standard size manual, and here's the fuel filter. This is the main filter. This is the one off of the old engine, the parts engine. And just put this in perspective for those that have never seen this. All the fuel for that engine goes through this thing, including the afterburner, and that's how much? 12,000 pounds an hour?
8,800 pounds an hour.
Yeah, 8,800 pounds an hour per engine. So all of that fuel has to go through this before it gets into the combustors. That's amazing. All right, successful test on that fuel filter canister that we just put in. So this is the original one that came out of the airplane whenever we started this process. And oddly enough, this one did not leak when it came out. It was never dropped or anything weird, but it never resealed when we put it back in. So no idea what happened with this one. It may be out of round, but that other one went right into place, and we had a good seal on the very first attempt, and we already pressurized and leak checked the system, so it's good to go. So right now we're just topping off hydraulics, finishing up, closing up the engine bay. We went and got a functional tug, and I think we even rolled over the nitrogen cart and put air in the tires. So I think we're gonna do this. We still have our weather window here, so I think we're gonna make some noise. Yeehaw. There it goes. Nice. So in recent weeks, I have seen a couple of comments about our ground equipment, and a couple of questions that did pop up. Do we have a Dash 60? Why, yes. Yes, we do. We're ready for this. Dash 60's out, hooked up. We don't have the hose connected yet. We got right before startup, we always blow out the hose just to make sure there's nothing inside there before we hook it to the jet. And yeah, we're ready to do this. Well, that was semi-successful. I mean, engine 2 ran great. Our pilot mentioned that hydraulic pressures look good on that engine. The oil pressure looked good. All the instruments look good. We wanted to get a little bit on the power, and as soon as he hit the brakes to, you know, step on the brakes to come up on a little bit of power, that's when the brake line, one of the seals let go, and psh, yeah. Well, part of this is finding leaks. We'll get there. But that was awesome. That was really freaking awesome.
Hey there, camera. You left here all alone.
All right, safely back to her home. That was a good day, a lot of work. Sucks that we couldn't have started engine 1 because all the other tests that we did prior to that, no leaks. And we go to start it, and now she wants to leak. I don't get it. We'll take care of it though. It's part of why we do all this testing, is figure out what needs to be fixed and then take care of it, and off we go. So until next time, thanks for watching, everybody.